There are several quick and easy ways to do this. The first is to activate airplane mode. When you receive a message, before opening it, activate airplane mode on your phone. Then, open WhatsApp and calmly read the message. Once you're finished, close the app completely and only then deactivate airplane mode. This way, WhatsApp won't register that you've read it, and the person who messaged you will only see 1 or 2 gray checkmarks. A second way is to use message previews, often visible from the notification panel or lock screen. Be careful, though, if you press reply or tap the preview, you may mark the message as read. It's best to just quickly view it. An even cleaner trick is to disable read receipts in WhatsApp settings. This way, no one will be able to see if you've read a message, but remember, you also won't be able to see when others read yours. This option doesn't apply to voice messages, which always appear as read as soon as you play them.